Francine is here. Tingnan yung buhok ni Francine, guys. Oh. Nagkalimukat. Katapos ko lang maligo. Tapos, nasa bed silang dalawa ni Ate Ella. Nung makita ko silang dalawa. Si Ate Ella nakatulog na. Tapos siya, ayun. Inaano niya ang ano, guys. Inaano niya ang, ang jumper ni Ate Ella. Kasi nakatalikod si Ate Ella sa kanya. Tapos siya, sa likuran, inaano niya ang kanang jumper. Say hi. Hi, hi. Say hi. Hi, hi. Quing, quing. Hi, quing, quing. Quing, quing. Hi. Hi, hi, baby, kalami. So, guys, uwi na si Frank. Balik na naman kami sa IKEA, guys, kasi yung carpet na hindi nila nasali pag-deliver, hindi pa din dumating, guys. Sabi na i-deliver nila yesterday or nung Thursday nung Wednesday. Hindi na naman dumating, guys. Wala talaga tong yung nagde-deliver sa IKEA, guys. Uy, nagkaamamo ng kuan. Bye. Bye-bye. Prepare muna kami. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. 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 Giling. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Okay. Then how you put the one line? What? This? Okay. You the heart. I think this is not enough our phone.
I think it's too much already.
No, because I didn't think the Christmas tree is that big. Uy! Sa glitter from. Guys, sa glitter from.
That one is fine. I don't
I
know.
don't like
No,
it.
the one with the first one ba?
That.
The one we make ba when you were putting it
I was
all.
actually hoping to
That.
have it like this the whole time.
You want it full time?
Yeah, I don't like it when
All the lights is here. So we play that. We are laughing with lights.
it's and remember, put it in like that, yeah?
Yeah. This.
Yeah. Wait a second.
That. That.
Sure.
That.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So next is this. This. The next is this. You see
What
this,
time now?
guys? This. That one.
Yeah, we still gonna.
And this is the stand. Here. You see that, guys? Okay.
Yeah, Frank still needs to do that, but at least we finished now the
And
Christmas tree.
there's the bulb.
So,
So, oi.
ayun na guys, it's already around 11 p.m. now. We're still awake because we just came home from IKEA.
Look,
About the carpet. We again pushed them because it was, I think, how many times already Frank went to IKEA to ask about the delivery, but they are actually not working, so it's really bad experience from IKEA delivery. So but now it's all there, and so that's it guys. We finished the Christmas tree, and so Merry Christmas, advance Merry Christmas, and have a good night. Bye bye.